I've always been around animals since I was younger. So I always wanted to, like, I thought, okay, I'll do a job and I'll retire someday and have a place where there's shitloads of dogs and I'm taking care of all the stray dogs. That was something I always wanted to do. That was a retirement plan. But when I realized that there's a way I could do this full time as a job and earn my money through it, then obviously that was the first choice, because who wouldn't want to do that?
I basically help Fiana with all things possible. Rescue is basically an NGO which works towards helping stray animals. We basically run just as a hospital. We do treatment for injured animals. So whenever you see an injured animal on the street, you give us a call. We also have a van which comes there and assess the emergency. If the treatment can be done on site, we do it there. If we think it's serious and needs to be brought here to our center, then we get the dog to our center here. We treat it, and once it's fine, then it's released back. So yeah.
See, I had joined rescue 6 months back, and after a month, we got one case. 8 years dog, a male dog, a stray male dog, who had a very big tumor on the head. I never had seen such type of case. The dog was having a tumor of 1 kg nearly, due to which his neck was bending towards the ground and he was getting a spondylitis. So we took the decision to operate the dog, and we made many arrangements. Rescue has made the arrangement very fantastic, and due to which we operated the dogs very nicely.
मला रेस्क्यूमध्ये काम करायला खूप आवडतं. मला रेस्क्यूमध्ये आल्यापासून मला परत जी तुटलेली हॉबी होती माझी, ती मला बाळगता आली. कारण मला जनावरं खूप आवडतात. साप पकडायला, कुत्री सांभाळायला, ते मला त्यांचं सानिध्य भेटलं. मग रेस्क्यूचा मी आभारी आहे. मला चांगल्या ठिकाणी एवढा जॉब भेटला. प्राण्यांवर माया करता येते, त्याच्यामुळं खूप छान वाटतं.
There have been weeks where there have been about so many deaths that I have nightmares of finding dogs under my bed dead and all that. So that's how it gets to you. You start blaming yourself for what happens, but you have to just step back and say, okay, we can't do everything, and we tried our best, and let's move on. Otherwise, if you lose it, then you can't save the next animals. Then you have to remain stable so that you can start helping the next by being calm, by being positive, and giving the best you can.
You can't be sad every time, because you know there's so many dogs which are coming in, and you know that you are saving the same number of animals. So at times you really have to let go of things. So
well managed, well planned. They got a good infrastructure, good medical services, good instruments, facilities for the treatment of the dogs. So it is the best NGO, I can say. Frankly, the working culture of the rescue, which is really attracts to you to work with them, because they gives you the lot of freedom. They are ready to do whatever we people advise, the doctor advise. That's why, and most important thing, this rescue gets number of interesting cases which are in the stray dogs.
Doberman which a guy had brought along with him. Had a very bad skin problem. Basically, we only do treatment for stray animals. We don't do private cases. What we had suggested him to take him to the some other doctor. Because we came at an odd time and the doctor was also not around. So we suggested what meds and suggested him to go to some other vet. Then he was like, okay. What he did is when he came down, just dumped the dog here, and then he left. He wanted us to take the dog, but it was his own pet dog. We had to say no. We dumped him here. 2 days later, some local guy here found the dog. Then he got it to us.
आम्ही वँगोला एका कंस्ट्रक्शन लाईनवरनं आणलं. त्यावेळेस तिकडं कंस्ट्रक्शन लाईनला एक माणूस याला सांभाळत होता. त्याच्या पायाला थोडीशी जखम होती. चाटून जखम खूप मोठी केली. तर ती जखम बरी न होण्याच्या कारणाने त्याचा पाय आम्हाला कापावं लागला. ते कापायच्या आधी खूप ॲग्रेसिव्ह होतं. कोणाला पण चावायला हे करायचं. काही दिवसानंतर मी रेस्क्यूमध्ये जॉबला लागलो. तर ह्याला माझी सवय झाली. मला पण ह्याची सवय झाली. मग मी ह्याला माझ्याकडे ठेवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, निर्णय घेतला आणि मी ह्याला ठेवणार. मी त्यावेळी घरी जेवायला आलो होतो, तर मला माहितीच नाही. तर मग नंतर कळलं 5 मिनिटानंतर की वँगोला कुणीतरी घेऊन गेलं. तर माझ्या डोळ्यात पाणी आलं, रडू आलं. जर मी रेस्क्यूमध्ये लागलोच नसतं तर मला एवढा गुणी डॉग माझ्या घरातला मेंबर मला भेटला आणि माझ्यासाठी परत ह्याला घेऊन आले वँगोला. त्यासाठी तो खूप आभारी आहे. खूप भारी आहे.
So you guys can help us in a lot of ways. The more and more people get into this, it's going to be helpful for everyone, and we will be able to attend more cases and more animals in need. So what you can do is you can get in touch with us. If you have a group of people, we can always do first aid courses for you, which then helps you. If you see any injured animal, you can at least do the first aid till our van reaches there. So that's one way in which you can help us, and I think that's would be the best thing you can do. You're just a call away.
If they loves everyone, they don't know about the nature of the human being. They loves everyone, so they need the same back. They need love. Whether you don't give food, you don't give this thing, they need just a patting, even a humble touch to them. They are just, that is enough for them. That is enough for them.
So we also have a report case button on our website. So our helpline runs from 9 to 5. So post 5 o'clock, if there's any emergency case, you can always go on our website. You can click on the report case button. You can upload a picture of the emergency, and there's also, you can tag the pinpoint the location. And when you email us the thing, we all the rescue people get an email. So whoever is close by, we can always help the animal in need post 5 o'clock till night calls also. So you can always do that.